A few days we should get used to it. Now is the time to catch you. What is your historic achievement?
Made it through Saudi.
On? So we didn't quite make it to Dubai. Since we got late, decided to stay at a random place just about 2 hours outside of Dubai. Yeah, nice enough hotel, Mirfa. Oh, this is what a long ride after many years looks like. Not in shape. On the plus side, found a comfortable bed.
How do you change music?
How do you change music? You press and hold the button and just twist it back or front. Okay, day 2. We're going from, where is this place?
Mirfa Hotel.
Mirfa Hotel. In Mirfa, okay. It's like the only hotel here, but. And we're gonna go. Dubai Premier Inn is the goal, where a certain Boski has been messaging me and hoping that we'd reach sometime today. Yo, get that away, yo.
They are hungry.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Candy. Demon.
Candy.
No, not Candy. What's her name? I don't know.
Yeah. What is this?
Okay, you're gonna have to go forward a little bit, okay? Later. Oh, it's coming. 3, 2, 1.
Eid Mubarak, right? Eid Mubarak, right? Okay then. So we didn't buy any clothes for Eid. Have to buy clothes when you're done. The first time ever in the Middle East I'm seeing a woodpecker. It's more of a grass pecker really here, but I guess there's no trees. The only trees that are here particularly good for pecking. Let's see how close we get before he flies off. She, come back, come back. So since it's Eid, we had to go get Eid clothes, like on Eid. So Madame here is dressed in a kurta, and under her pants she's got the full kurta outfit. Yeah, let's see how she rides with kurta and a shawl and all that. Off for Eid lunch. Yes, as we can see, it's pretty packed. Just, what are we doing at Dubai Mall during Eid? Huh?
Why are you taking video of you?
Why am I taking video of you?
Yeah, take the flowers.
Because I love you, no? You want video of the flowers? Okay.
Now I will take you.
Not yet. Huh? We are in a sea of people. Chili and salt mix to go with mangoes. And we got a sourpuss who's not talking, who doesn't want to do anything.
He's coloring us.
And you, what are you doing?
Damn.
Boss man's just living the life right now.
Check it out, yo. Simple life.
Simple life.
I know his house. Uncle, Appa, iPad, beautiful house, flowers, chocolate. Oh yeah, chef, TV, kitchen, mango, Milo auntie. Oh, Ami, camera. Hi, there's Appa. I'm gonna try and make it